Thank you. Guys, it is dark. Turn on some light, burn some energy. It doesn't cost anything. What's going on with the camera here? Ah, here I am. What is happening? What is going on? What did I hear this morning? I have been mentioned in one of the biggest and greatest and finest channels on YouTube. Yes, someone mentioned me, the Off-Grid Garage, on their channel.
I think his name is Andy, but don't quote me on that. His YouTube channel is the Off-Grid Garage, and he is down in Australia.
It's on the AV Rage. Now, what is it called? Yeah, this guy here, AV Rage Joe. Is it called average? Like medium? Like, I don't know. Well, Joe donated 1 minute and 10 seconds to mention and talk about my channel here in the Off-Grid Garage. That is totally insane. This has never happened before. He came very close when he mentioned me, so I probably do the same here.
I'm not sure why I'm so close to the camera, but I am, so I'm going with it.
So thank you very much, Joe, for mentioning the Off-Grid Garage in your video. I really appreciate it. And also thank you for the link in your description box. I gained 22 subscribers overnight. Thank you. And it's so good to see that Joe is finally upgrading his do-it-yourself 18650 cell battery rack he built. Very nice build, by the way. But exactly what one of Joe's viewers said in the comments, it looks like the do-it-yourself community is walking away from these 18650 builds. It is just too much work to harvest all these cells, to test them, to put them together in packs and everything. It is just too much. And with these new lithium iron phosphate batteries now, they are so coming down in price and you get so high capacities now. Why would you still do this 18650 cell? It is just so much work. And here you got 16 cells, you top balance them, you put them in series and you're done. And as Joe said just in his video, you're getting so much capacity now. It is already more than he had in his old battery rack. Okay, I need to tell you I had 2 glasses of red wine already. Now really, Joe, thank you very much for mentioning the Off-Grid Garage on your YouTube channel as well as putting a link in your description. I really appreciate all the nice words you said, and I like your cat Horace very much.
And look who finally showed up. Boom!
I probably should get our cat in here as well when I get the next delivery of batteries. Apparently it makes good videos. And I also like that you used a white pen to number all your battery cells. Nice work! Well, with all the rain happening today, we couldn't do anything so far. I was planning to mount the solar panels on the roof, but nothing happened. We only had a short 20-minute window where it didn't rain. So we used this time to get the solar panels on top of the carport at least. Hopefully tomorrow I've got some time to mount them on the roof, but I doubt it because they forecasted a lot of rain for tomorrow. So I guess the whole installation of stage number 2 solar panels will have to wait until the next weekend. Again, one of the community suggestions. How good is that? Now I can see if the fans are running. No, it has stopped. Such a simple thing. Alright guys, yeah, there's nothing else to report today apart from the amazing mentioning in Joe Average Joe's channel. Probably the highlight of the day, right? Of course, I will link his channel and the video down below in the description box, so you can check it out, subscribe, and I also joined his Patreon team as well. Only because he's an amazing guy and I want this t-shirt. Alright, people of the internet, I think that's it for Easter Sunday. Nothing has happened, nothing got done today. Sometimes it's not too bad to have a break actually. I'm just so glad I've got this garage here, you know. I can just close the garage door and can leave all the tools, all the mess behind me. You know, at the moment I've got everywhere here because I'm using the tools everywhere. I'm working on the cabinet, working on the workbench, I'm working on the roof, working on my desk here. It's just everywhere and nowhere. I cannot find any stuff anymore. I need to clean it up. Well, once we get the flexible cable in, we will rewire some of the solar charge controller. The 10mm stranded cable is good, what I have, but it's very hard to work with. You need to bend it very precisely, and if it's just a bit off, it doesn't look good anymore. It looks like and we don't want to have another show in here, right? Anyway, guys, this is all I have for you today. Stay charged, stay safe, have a great Easter, and I guess we will see us again tomorrow morning, hopefully with no rain, so I can start installing these panels. It's the last day. I need to go back to work on Tuesday. It is tight. 5 days of work. We need to get it done. Thank you again, Joe, for mentioning me in your channel. I have mentioned you now in my channel. It's still raining. What a